Occly body cameras and live video. How they can help. Seeing is believing. Is bad guard behavior running rampant? Never lose a contract again because a guard got you fired. The Occly solution provides real-time video access through a unique security guard body camera that allows efficient management, supervision, reporting, and location verification. With our live remote access including real-time images and video, Occly's hardware makes sure your guards cannot control when it's on and off, cannot remove it or leave it behind. There's no way to manipulate, download, or delete the information on the device. Improve employee safety and efficiency while protecting contracts and reducing expenses. Occly is a two-device solution and has the unique ability to deliver live video over the companion smartphone, alleviating the need for an independent connection for the camera system itself. Leverage the Occly solution for abating bad guard behavior, reducing claims of excessive force, false insurance claims, overhead reduction, increased oversight, more efficient personnel management. All for less than comparable guard management software solutions that do not offer the same real-time insight with cameras. Call Occly now to find out more.